the sales property presentation video of Unit 1 at 125 Kingscliff Street, Kingscliff. Here we're using our office drone and we're giving you a bird's eye view of the property. Here it is, here as circled, and in the distance there, approximately 3 kilometres from the property, is Kingscliff CBD. As we go down to ground level, this is how the property presents from the street. It's the front unit in a small block of 4. Stepping inside the property, at the front of the property, there's a kitchen, large corner pantry, double bowl sink, dishwasher as well. Also downstairs is the living room. Going out through those doors opens out to a sunny north-facing courtyard. Double door there from the lounge, also door off the laundry. We'll show the laundry in a minute. And the courtyard, being an end unit, wraps around to the front of the property, which is exclusive use. Another view of the lounge room. And the door ahead there shows the laundry. Here's the laundry here, so it's got its own separate door going to outside. Also got a guest bathroom. There's a dining room, and then going upstairs we've got 3 massive bedrooms. Linen cupboard, double linen cupboard there. Main bedroom is here. Built-ins have got shelves and hanging. It's also got an ensuite bathroom, which has been updated, and the door opens out to a private balcony. Going back down the hallway as well, there's another 2 bedrooms, second bedroom with built-ins with shelves and hanging, and third bedroom as well. There's also, besides the double linen closet, there's also a walk-in closet as well, updated main bathroom, and single garage with internal access, and the garage has a remote control. Here's another bird's eye view of the property, showing the location of the property in relation to the building, and also the really close proximity, just being 1 street back from the beach. If you'd like any further information on this rock solid investment property in Kingscliff, then please call the listing salesperson Julian Cleak on 0400 617 494. Email him at julian@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more information visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.